Take a little break, you can take water, breathe.
Where's the ice cream truck?
There's a guy up there.
Yeah.
You'll always find him with some belt.
By the time we get here, there's no more.
No more for you, they would say. Especially for you, there's none.
It's funny because on Telica I have someone selling drinks on the top.
Yeah.
Go there, I have some guy coming with a cooler on the top, like selling some beer.
I knew we're gonna see on the line is
super fine.
Yeah, they had all these rocks and more sand, tiny sand. There's like a massage. You're gonna see. My feet now is black. After I do this, like exfoliate the feet, my feet came like clean, brand new every day. The people with shoes have more dark feet than me.
Sweaty, it's gonna be black.
Either way. No, I think you'll know because you're gonna use the boot. True. Usually people just boarding is more like that. Something like that. Here usually we see the other volcanoes, but today everything's blurry. You see a little mountain. After this mountain have Telica and San Cristobal, and right here Salio. If you look on the map, have a line of volcanoes from like Alaska until Argentina.
Holy shit.
Esa mierda.
Puede hacer un asado.
It's my goal one day.
Oh my god.
Trazer como papas
Sí.
com alumínio, colocar.
Sí.
Already have.
have water, rain these days. Yesterday.
Me and Lizzo's lines. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Sometimes we'll do it like a little diagonal up or diagonal down. Like I'll do it like this. Because you see, this is like against my arm. Oh. So it kind of like, it doesn't hurt my hand. It's kind of, the weight is on my forearm.
But like when you're getting on a chairlift, you don't like...
Oh, it's on my foot. Like
yeah,
I'll do just one foot.
Yeah,
just
yeah,
one
yeah,
foot,
yeah.
and then I'll push like this.
Exactly.
Get on, kind of just like sit. And that's it.
On you. To the cracker today because it's a real common day rain.
volcanic ash in my eyes. Woo! Nick.
You gotta try.
So hype. Woo!
That was sick. Just watching it was sick. No. There was one point where you nearly fell into each other at the top. We were like, oh shit.
Sick. Day number 2. More lines.
This is fine, just make bubbles.
Yeah. We put some rum on it, it's okay. It's full of minerals, it's good for you.
You watch plants are going to start growing out, right?
It was just like a lawyer.
So all you
It's
need
gonna
now
start
is tears.
erupting on the plane.
Instead of tears, and you're all good.
Ah.